Hello, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. In today's math tutorial, we shall be solving this polynomial, a quartic equation. But before we proceed to the solution, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button now and hit the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time from this channel. To solve this, we'll first express the equation as x squared raised to power 2, that's for x raised to power 4, minus 10x squared plus 9 equals to 0. To make solving this easy, we are going to transform the variable first from x to another variable, say y. So first we can let x squared be represented by y. Doing this makes the equation to become y squared minus 10y plus 9 equals to 0. This actually enables us to reduce the equation from a quartic equation and transforming it to a quadratic equation. And once the quadratic equation is solved, it's going to be easy to solve the quartic equation. Then we look out for the factors of positive 9, whose sum will give negative 10. These are actually negative 1 and negative 9. This means that the equation easily factors out as y minus 1 times y minus 9 equals to 0. However, from the beginning we said x squared should be y. We can restore the x squared now by writing it as x squared minus 1 x squared minus 9, and that's equal to 0. X squared minus 1 is the same thing as x squared minus 1 squared, while x squared minus 9 is x squared minus 3 squared, expressing it as difference of two squares, and that's equal to 0. And recall that for difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, it factors out as a minus b multiplying a plus b. Using this relation on both parentheses, both factors, the first one is going to be x minus 1 times x plus 1. And the second one, x squared minus 3 squared, is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 3 equals to 0. By the zero product property, x minus 1 can be 0, x plus 1 can be 0, x minus 3 can be 0, and x plus 3 can be 0. When x minus 1 is 0, it simply means that x is positive 1. With x plus 1 being 0, x is negative 1. With x minus 3 being 0, x is positive 3. And with x plus 3 being 0, x is negative 3. This means that the solution to the equation is -3, -1, 1, and 3. That's the solution set to the quartic equation. I believe you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on our activities in this channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye.